Hi friends, today we are discussing about titrations. What is titration? First we have to know the definition of titration. Definition is what is titration? Well, the definition is first we have to take this titration is like this. Solution reagent. Definition of titration is the amount of substance in a solution is determined by amount of reagent solution consumed for the complete of reaction is called titration. Once again I repeat this. The amount of substance in a solution is determined by amount of reagent solution consumed for the complete of reaction is called titrations. Okay, before going to start this titration topic, we have to know the what is acid and base. Acid, base. Cold in taste, hot in taste. Sour in taste, hot in taste. This acid changes blue litmus to red litmus is called acid. Here red litmus to blue litmus is called base. Blue litmus to red litmus, it changes blue litmus to red litmus is called acid. It changes red litmus to blue litmus is called base. Acid gives pink color with methyl orange indicator. Here base gives yellow color with methyl orange indicators. Next, these both are good conductors. These both are good conductors. Here acid produces NaCl and water. This is bases also produces NaCl and water. Not only NaCl, it gives salt and water. Salt and water. Example, NaOH. This base react with acid. NaCl plus water. Here this is a salt. This is water. It produces salt and water. Next, indicator. What is indicator? What is indicator means? Indicator means weak carbon acids or weak carbon bases gives with acids one color, with base one color. Weak carbon acids or weak carbon bases gives with acids one color, bases with base one color is called indicator. Here methyl orange is a weak carbon acid. Phenolphthalein is a weak carbon base. Methyl orange is a weak carbon acid. Phenolphthalein is a weak carbon base. Next come type of electrodes. Here there is a, as per my knowledge, there is a 3 types of electrodes. First one, aqueous, non-aqueous, precipitate. These 3 types of electrodes which we are usually pharmaceutical industry. Here aqueous electrodes like this. Aqueous electrode is like this. This is a aqueous electrode. Non-aqueous electrode is like this. This is non-aqueous electrode. Precipitation electrode like this. This is a precipitation electrode. When you see this bulb, this is a non-aqueous electrode. Simply it is called non-aqueous electrode. If the electrode is like this is a precipitation light. The electrode like this is a aqueous electrode. What is aqueous and what is non-aqueous? Aqueous means the substance which is completely soluble in water is called aqueous solution. The substance which is not soluble or not dissolved in aqueous is called non-aqueous solution. Simply, which is soluble in water is called aqueous solution, which is not soluble in water is called non-aqueous solution. Okay. Next, come to the next point. Type of electrodes is completed. Next, type of titrations. Type of titrations. In pharmaceutical industry, there is a 4 type of titrations. Here, so many type of titration is there. As per my knowledge, I am discussing about these 3 titration, these 4 titrations. First one is a acid-base titration. Acid-base titration. In this acid-base titration, neutralization occurs in between acid and base. In this acid-base titration, neutralization of acid base in each other is called acid-base titration. In acid-base titration, there is a 2 types. In acid-base titration, there is a 2 types: aqueous titration, non-aqueous titration. Aqueous titration, non-aqueous titration. Already I told what is aqueous solutions, what is non-aqueous solutions. Same applicable here also. The substance which is soluble in aqueous water is called aqueous. The substance which is not soluble in aqueous is called non-aqueous solutions. Example, in this aqueous titration, non-aqueous titrations. Here, acid base. Acid is HCl, base is NaOH. Here it forms NaCl plus H2O. Salt and water is called acid and base titrations. Next, second titration is redox titrations. Redox titrations. In this redox titration. In this redox titrations, reaction in between oxidant and reductant. Reaction in between oxidant and reductant. Red means reductant, ox means oxidant. Is called redox titrations. So in this, there is a change in oxidation state. In this reaction, there is a change in oxidation state. Example, KMnO4 plus 7, KMnO4 plus 7 plus Fe plus 2 plus H plus gives us to Mn plus 2 plus Fe plus 3. Mn plus 2 plus Fe plus 3 plus water. Here Mn plus 7 is changed to Mn plus 2. Here Fe plus 2 changed to Fe plus 3. Here Mn is reductant, plus 7 to plus 2. Here ferric is oxidant, plus 2 to plus 3. Simply in this reaction there is a change in oxidant and reductant is called redox titrations. Next, precipitation reaction. Precipitation means precipitation. Precipitation reactions. A precipitation is formed during the titration is called precipitation reaction. Precipitation is formed during the reaction is called precipitation. Simply, precipitation is formed during the titration in between titrant and analyte. Precipitation is formed in between titrant and analyte is called precipitation reaction. Example, AgNO3 plus NaCl gives rest Ag plus AgCO. This is a precipitation reaction. Last one is complexometric reactions. Complexometric reaction. Complexometric reaction means complex is formed in the titration. Is called complexometric reactions. Simply it is a complex is formed in a titration in between titrant and analyte. Complex is formed in between titrate and analyte is called complexometric titration. Example, plus 2y plus minus 2 gives rise to CaY plus 2 plus water form అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. CaY plus 2 plus hydrogen, 2 hydrogens form plus 2H plus. This is a complexometric titrations. Here Y is a EDTA. Y is a EDTA. What is the structure of EDTA? This is the interview question. What is the structure of EDTA? We have to write the structure EDTA. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Ethylene means CH11 CH. This is a ethylene. Diamine 1 2. Diamine. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. State CH2 COH. Here also come. CH2 COH. This is a ethylene diamine tetraacetate. This is a titration topic. I am not discussing completely about titration topic. What I have knowledge on titration topics, just I am sharing my knowledge through this video. Thank you friends.